Ever dreamed of owning a piece of Apple, Tesla, or maybe even a little bit of Disney? The stock market can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but navigating the world of brokers, trades, and investments can feel overwhelming. That's where companies like comdirect come in. But is comdirect a broker, and is it the right fit for you? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of comdirect and see if it unlocks your stock market potential. From humble beginnings to online powerhouse, comdirect wasn't always the online juggernaut it is today. Founded in 1994, it was a pioneer in the German online banking scene. They saw the potential of the internet to revolutionize how people manage their finances, and they weren't wrong. Today, comdirect boasts a massive user base and offers a comprehensive suite of financial services, including, you guessed it, brokerage services. This means you can not only manage your checking and savings accounts, but also buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other investment vehicles, all from the comfort of your couch. Unwrapping the comdirect brokerage experience. So, what's it like to use comdirect as your broker? First things first, they offer access to a wide range of investment products. We're talking German stocks, European stocks, even some overseas markets. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, you'll likely find what you're looking for on their platform. Speaking of platforms, comdirect boasts a user-friendly online interface and a slick mobile app. These platforms allow you to research investments, place trades, and monitor your portfolio performance, all in a few clicks. Comdirect also takes pride in its customer service. They've been recognized for their accessibility, with options like live chat and video chat to answer your burning questions. But is everything shiny and new? Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While comdirect shines in some areas, fees can be a sticking point. While their account opening is free, trading fees, especially for individual stocks, can be higher compared to some competitors. Another hurdle for non-German residents, opening an account can be a lengthy process, taking weeks to complete. Additionally, some reviewers have mentioned the lack of live phone support, which might be a deal-breaker for some. So, is comdirect the right broker for you? Ultimately, that depends on your needs and investment style. Comdirect excels for beginner investors in Germany or Austria with its user-friendly platform and educational resources. The wide range of investment products also caters to those who want to diversify their portfolio. However, if you're a high-volume trader or someone looking for the absolute lowest fees, comdirect might not be the best fit. The limited customer service options for non-German residents might also be a deciding factor. The takeaway: do your research. Comdirect is a legitimate and well-established online broker with a lot to offer. They've been recognized for their services and boast a user-friendly platform. However, fees and limitations for non-residents are important factors to consider. Before diving in, research different brokers, compare fees, and consider what kind of investor you are. Remember, the right broker can be a valuable partner in your wealth-building journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.